Hello, and welcome to On the Road 3D Printing.
Waiting for satellites.
As you can see by the entire cluster behind me, it's moving day again. It's only a short 7-hour drive this time. I will try to include as much footage from the road as I can. I'm getting everything packed up and ready to go. As you can see, these moves always suck, but this one's going to be for at least 2 weeks. So hopefully I'll be able to get a lot done and a lot printed while I'm there. If any of you have any questions about what it's like to 3D print on the road, or any surveying questions, I am always here for those. Leave them in the comments. I'll get to them as fast as I can. Now I'm going to do a quick time lapse of me taking everything out of the room, and then hopefully we'll get some good road shot. So at some point, somebody's going to ask me what kind of mount I was using to film that. So I figured I'd show you. It's just one of these with the GoPro end on the end of it. It's also got one of those for an iPhone or an Android phone. I tend to like it because it squishes down all the way down to this. Now for what I'm filming in the car with, that is going to be one of these GoPro mounts. Also on Amazon. And that is the view you are going to get should I run across anything interesting or that I think people might want to see. Until then, see you in a bit. Here we are in the new room. Really didn't see anything of interest on the way, so didn't get any good footage of that. Got the air conditioning turned on. I'm gonna let it cool off for a little bit and then do a time lapse of bringing everything in. So far, everything is pretty much where it's going to stay. Was able to get 2 printers up there, but I'm probably really only going to use one. I'll have the Ender 6 up and running tonight. We'll see how that goes. But yeah, everything's pretty much set up. I'm ready to go. Hey, you made it all the way to the end. Thank you so much. That helps a lot with our engagement and helps to push my video out to more people. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you. And if there's anything you'd like to see on my channel, because I know I'm relatively new and don't have a whole lot up, let me know in the comments. I'll see what I can do, see if I can make it happen. Thank you, and have a good one. This has been On the Road 3D Printing. I am Ken, your 3D printing survey tech.
Observation stored.